let's take a look at this question. So here it states that Mr. Tan has invested $100,000. So investment means this is your principal, right? At an interest rate compounded annually. So you're going to be compounding or charging every year. And at the end of 2 years, he earned an interest of $10,250, right? So this is the interest. So they say, what was the rate of his investment? So first of all, you need to identify that this question is a compound interest question. So you have to write down your formula first. So once you have written down your formula, at the side you will do your side working for this. Okay, so you have to fill up your amount, your principal, your rate, and your n, number of times you compound. So in this case, rate you have no idea. Number of times you compound, you do it every year. So this is over a period of 2 years. So in n is 2. Principal, you already know that it's 100,000. Now the amount is actually principal plus interest. So in the question, they've already given you the interest and they've given you the principal. So all you have to do is add them up together. So you should have 100,000 plus 10,250. So you should have, right, 110,250. So now all you have to do is substitute into your formula. So once you substitute it into your formula, you realize that your R is inside the bracket. So there are many obstacles to this. So first of all, you have to get rid of the 100,000 over here. You realize that it's actually multiplied. So when you bring over, you have to divide. So you make sure that you divide this. So you should be getting 110,250 over 100,000. This will be equals to whatever is remainder on the right hand side. Now at this point, you realize the problem is this square over here. So you have no choice but to square root to get rid of this. Alright, so you have to square root on both sides. Alright, both sides you have to square root. Okay, so on the left hand side you should be having, alright, this is what you'll be left with. Now slowly move things that on the right hand side so you can get R by itself. This is a +1, you need to bring it over, so be extremely careful. Right, so you should be getting this. Okay, so you're almost there. Over here now you're left with R over 100. So you need to get rid of the 100. So you need to cross multiply up to the other side. So on both sides you need to times by 100. Alright, now you just need to key this into your calculator and you will get your answer. This answer should be exactly 5. So the answer is 5%.